It will look like this. We cut the sausages into small pieces. And we pierce them with pasta. Well, something like this. You know, that particular way of preparing sausages with pasta is probably especially suitable for children who eat the sausage but don't want to eat the pasta. This is how our little sausages turned out. The pasta and sausages are ready. Let's put them on a plate. Well, here's the resulting pasta with sausages, or sausages with pasta. That's hard to tell. Let's add a little butter, and here is what we have ended up with. Now we can decorate it in some way. Pour some sauce over it.